Indian channel. Today we got bread for our mom from Moxies. We ordered it online and here's what we got.
Thanks guys, those are my lovely kids and they got me this amazing lunch.
So we got a platter of fruit, strawberries, grapes, oranges, pineapple.
We got some
sausage, French toast,
I'm vegetarian, so those sausages, kids, you can enjoy.
quiche pies.
and some like potatoes.
We have
Oh, those hash brown potatoes look so good.
we have Holland sauce and berry sauce.
hollandaise sauce and berry sauce.
and
Beautiful.
these pastries.
And we have chocolate croissants. That's for the, I think, French toast, whipped cream.
Whipping cream for French toast, my goodness.
And we have
So
chocolate croissant.
I think this is gonna be awesome when I taste it.
Yummy, yummy,
Yummy.
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 You guys are excited to enjoy this delicious meal with me?
Yep.
Alright, thank you guys. I love you so much. You are my favorite babies. My only babies, I guess. And this is a fantastic little meal, a little brunch, lunch, dinner, I think. My family got me.
Dinner.
4 of us. Yeah, I think once I'm done eating this, I won't be eating for rest of the week.
Okay, bye guys. I hope you enjoy.
Yes, thank you guys so much. Thanks for watching this video, and I hope wherever you are, you're enjoying Mother's Day with your loved ones, your moms, your aunts, your mentors, or whoever else has played that significant role in your life.
I do this.